In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning landing page using Hostinger Website Builder. Let's dive into it and get started with making a page that impresses visitors and effectively conveys your message. First, let's begin with logging into your Hostinger Website Builder account. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a range of features and options at your disposal, but today we'll focus on crafting that perfect landing page. If you haven't used Hostinger before, don't worry. The platform is user-friendly, intuitive, and designed for both beginners and pros. Now that we're inside, let's move on to the exciting part, selecting a landing page template. Hostinger offers a variety of options tailored to different needs, whether you're promoting a special event, launching a new product, or building your personal brand. If you find a template that fits your vision, go ahead and select it. Alternatively, if you're feeling creative and wish to personalize your design, you can always start from scratch. Starting from scratch gives you full control over every aspect of your page to ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand. Once you've selected or customized your template, it's time to get creative with headlines, images, and call to action buttons. Make sure your headline is clear, concise, and compelling, as it's often the first thing visitors notice. Consider using engaging images that reflect your brand identity. Hostinger makes it easy to upload your own images or choose from a library of high-quality stock photos directly within the editor. When it comes to call to action buttons, these should be strategically placed and designed to guide your visitors towards taking specific actions, whether it's signing up, purchasing, or learning more. Ensure the text is engaging and encourages interaction. For example, get started now or learn more today. Let's enhance functionality by adding contact forms or subscription widgets. These are crucial elements that help you capture information from your visitors and keep them engaged. Within the Hostinger editor, it's straightforward to insert these features. Simply select the form or widget option and tailor it to collect necessary details such as names or emails. This not only allows you to expand your outreach, but also helps in nurturing your audience for future interactions. After you've put all these elements into place, it's time to review your masterpiece. Hostinger provides a preview option so you can see exactly how your landing page will look on different devices. This step is crucial to ensure all elements are aligned as expected, images load correctly, and buttons function properly. Take a moment to navigate through your page, check for any last-minute changes needed, and ensure everything is exactly how you envisioned it. Finally, once you're satisfied with your landing page, you're ready to publish. With just a click, your page goes live, ready to captivate and engage your audience. That's it! You've successfully created and published a captivating landing page using Hostinger Website Builder. Remember, a great landing page is a balance of design, information, and user experience. Happy building, and see you in the next video!